Well, good morning, lovely people of YouTube. And first of all, I apologize for this throat. I must have, I don't know, been outside maybe for too long in the wind over the weekend, and I kind of got a sore throat. But it will not stop me from making this video, as today is a very exciting day for me because I've actually got invited by McLaren to go and see up close and personal to see the brand new McLaren GT car. I'm going to Bristol. I have no idea how they got my email or whichever, but I'm not gonna say no for that, you know. So here I am. I just got myself some fuel for the car. Gotta get some fuel for myself, like some kind of warm, nice tea. I got about a 2-hour drive, and I shall see you guys over there. And welcome back to my channel. I just love cars. So it looks like we're getting closer to it. It's something Elms Court or Elmere Court. It looks like this is the place. There we go. A nice entrance, which you can scratch your car pretty easily. Oh gosh. Imagine driving a McLaren GT through here. You wouldn't want to do that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the McLaren launch of the new McLaren GT. It's not like a real launch. I don't know exactly what's it going to be, because you know the car has been obviously out already. Lots of people have seen it. It hasn't been debuted yet. It's going to be debuted actually at the Festival of Speed at Goodwood. But yes, I got an email from McLaren Bristol inviting me to see the new car, and come on, you can't say no to that, can you? You know, so you got to make a day out of it. So here we are at this beautiful estate, and I've just seen it down there. They're setting it up. Unfortunately, because I had to drive like 2 hours, over 2 hours to get here, I'm a bit early. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna go and chill out for 1 hour. So I shall see you when I'm inside. So as I got an hour to kill, not an hour, we got like 45 minutes to kill. I'm gonna spend the time here in this car park. My car is right there behind me. Let's hope there's gonna be some cool cars coming in. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk. There's an entrance down there, like a nice entrance. So if there's any supercars coming in, which should be obviously mostly McLarens, if they're coming in, I can have nice shots for you guys. All right, stay tuned. I thought I'll take this opportunity to introduce you to my car. This is 2009 Honda Accord, 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder. Unfortunately, it's not V6. I wish it was. So yeah, this is actually a modulo body kit. The body kit is basically the whole front is made by Mugen. I bought it crashed, and it was really bad condition, and now this is what she looks like. So I put these brand new 19-inch wheels on it. I might actually drop it. It is a chassis modulo. Not many of them in UK at all. Yeah, got a nice K&M filter. It's got a twin exhaust. It's nothing like McLaren, obviously, but it's a nice Honda. Drive around every day as a daily car. Perfect. Beautiful. They starting to gather up. Hope to see some other McLaren supercars. Lovely Bentley. 570S.
It's funny watching it from the back because I never.
570S Spider.
Lovely car. Do you know what happened though? I took it in for a service on. So that's why I haven't got mine today.
That's cool to see that statue. I've seen it many times online. And look at the details, guys. Look, all the Honda embroidered. Oh man, that is awesome. Well guys, here we are at the launch of that GT right there, which is under the covers. Let me show you around. They got some cool stuff. Look at that drawing of Mr. Senna. That is some cool, like 3D looking. Very nice. You probably guys know this if you know your Formula One. Mr. Senna. Amazing details. Look how they done that. Right? All embossed. Honda. I believe that's Jensen Button, I'm sure. It is, isn't it? Jensen Button drawing. Jensen Button.
You say, I'm not
Yeah.
sure, I'm not too sure.
His eyes look very buttony.
Very funny.
Yeah. Here's the beauty. We're gonna see this soon, in about half an hour. The new, brand new McLaren GT. Premium pack, obviously. Cool. They got some clothing there as well, so we're gonna just chill out, have some tea, coffee, whatever, and just gonna wait for the moment when they're gonna unveil the car. Well, the moment is getting closer and closer. There's quite a lot of people now in there. The food is being brought up somewhere. So yeah, it should be, actually there's another car right there behind the curtain, so there's 2 cars in total.
Firstly, I'd just like to introduce myself. I'm Giles Rowley. I'm a brand director for McLaren Bristol and Birmingham. And I'd first like to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming here today. You're here because you're valued friends of McLaren Bristol and Birmingham. Thank you for taking the time for joining us this afternoon. Today marks a new chapter in the McLaren story with the debut of this car, the new McLaren GT.
Like sports cars. And over the last 40-50 years, these cars have become heavier and slower and less dynamic. And these are the old rules that we're setting out to break with the car in front of you. So just to give you a quick preview of the launch film and take you through some of the spirit of this car and what we were thinking about with these new rules, I'm just going to play you the launch video now and then we'll show you the car. So, ladies and gentlemen, the new McLaren GT, I'm going to give you a very brief overview of some of the design and the engineering of this car as well. So one of the first things you'll notice about this car at the front is that higher nose than anything we've done before. And the reason for that is twofold. It's about making the car practical, increasing the ground clearance, making it a car you can drive around an urban environment without worrying about speed bumps. But also, as with all McLarens, we've worked really hard to... So later on when I invite you up to come look around the car, you can see how much usable space...
Oh wow!
So let's show you how the roof works.
Just slide your finger.
Yeah.
It's darker.
Wow.
That is very
Cool.
That's sensible.
I've seen it years ago on YouTube. As I thought it was only a joke, like they put LED, like LCD screen. Wow.
I've seen it in bathrooms.
Airplanes, the new Dreamliner, that's got.
Yep.
But that takes ages and ages.
Nice car.
Lovely.
Dad, you gonna buy me one?
Listen, how do you know it's my birthday this month?
Well, mine was last week. I mean, last month.
Treat yourself.
That's a special exhaust.
We use gotta get
So this is the MSO, McLaren Special Operations. So you can choose anything you want to. From the colors of the leather, from the paint. This looks like a Shmee-mobile color. Bespoke color. Oh, that's the caliper. Oh my god, so many colors. That's nice. They said usually McLaren Special Operations color costs about 10,000 pounds. They got the suede blue. That's nice. Oh, that would look nice. That'd be a nice color. There you go. You can actually lay in there. That's how big it is.
Apparently that's different to the responsive.
But the shape
Exactly
still
same
remains
shape
the
as the
same,
Sport Series.
You know, in the other ones there was like a light on here.
Yeah.
What does that do?
Yeah, that actually opens the bubbles. Yeah. This one's obviously hasn't got it. It's the early model.
So this is another thing we have learned, that this is obviously as a pre-production model. It doesn't have any LED turning lights. Also, this bit right here apparently is going to be changed, and that. Because you can see the bolts, apparently they're going to change that, so you don't see it. Right, this is it. It was a beautiful, beautiful afternoon with the beautiful cars. Show you another one. There's no one here. People already going home. The last look. I suppose the only thing is, it's a beautiful car, but if you want to see an engine of the car that you're driving, well, you can't do with this one because obviously it's got a big boot. But what a beauty. So the unveil of the beautiful McLaren Grand Tourer is almost over. There's a few people still staying there having a few drinks, non-alcoholic, just juices. So I thought I'll show you some cool cars that are here at parking lot. Got a cool nice Jag, but this is one of my favorite, one of the first McLaren. This is where it all started. It's hard, you know, to kind of comprehend that a company like that has gone in 10 years. Look at the transformation. This is a good example. One of the first ones right here. MP4 12C with the mono Viper. And then you got this absolutely stunning 720S. I don't know. This is gorgeous. For me, this is the car. This is the car. Absolutely love this car. Yeah, with the beautiful gold wheels, red calipers, beautiful 720S logo, carbon fiber mirrors, but the splitter is not carbon fiber. It's weird to see up front actually. I didn't really never seen it. It's nice, very nice, very, very, very beautiful car. Proper carbon fiber. This is not carbon fiber, however. Yeah, this is nice. So after this one, we got one of the Porsches. Oh, this is cool. This is nice. This Bentley is supposed to be the true GT. Supposed to be. Nice looking car. Very nice. What else have we got? Then we got this beautiful green Porsche GT3 RS. One of my favorite Porsches. Never really kind of like a noise test. Okay, so it's not too loud. Very nice. Nice number plate, and the number plate is actually a sticker, which I love that, so it doesn't stick out that much. So yeah, last look at an absolutely beautiful McLaren. I love that 720. And before we go, I'm going to show you the last McLaren 720S. This looks pretty like standard, not like souped up or anything, but it's still an absolutely gorgeous car. Gorgeous color. It's got a front end lift, but lovely car. Amazing. In fact, carbon fiber mirror covers again, but he hasn't gone for the carbon fiber option, which usually these ones are in carbon fiber. But oh, these are in carbon fiber right here. Let's see if he's got a normal exhaust. I think that's a normal exhaust. What a beauty. What a beauty. So this is your car and you want to let me drive it, I'd be very happy. This is carbon fiber too. Stunning McLaren. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It was an absolute amazing afternoon. We got to see two beautiful McLaren GTs. They are pre-production cars. They are going to be basically showing all over the world. They said it's going to take about September, October time till people can actually buy them, order them and get them. So yeah, if you are a big McLaren fan, if you're looking for a beautiful GT car, this is not a paid promotion, but please do go and get one, because I'm a huge McLaren supporter and I believe in the McLaren product big time. I mean, look at this one. Look at this gorgeous car. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up to this video. Only with your power can I make more videos, go to more places. Hopefully, can get invited to different, obviously, events, see more cars. But yeah, please keep on subscribing, because I always got something going on. Not as much as I would like, but you gotta start somewhere. You gotta start small somewhere. So next week I got another video coming up from Thruxton with a brand new Toyota Supra. So yeah, keep on watching the videos, please. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. As I asked you before, it would help me massively, not financially, but just more views, more better content. Thank you kindly, and till next time.